Brody, are you brushing your teeth? Are you brushing your teeth like a big boy? Yeah! What a good job! Ooh, get those molars that you got coming in. Brody. Let Mama help you. Let Mama help you. No? Oh. There you go. Ah. Big boy. Brush those tubers. Brush those tubers. Good job. Got a little hygienist on our hands, huh? 1-year-old brushing his teeth already. He loves it. You gonna love the dentist like Mommy does?
I think you're missing most of your teeth there, bro.
Okay, I think we're all done.